All right, here we are. We're gonna do an unboxing video of our Battle Ready Inner Fender for the JK. JK's behind us. We just did a video on the Fender, so I'm gonna show you the Inner Fender, but here we go. So 15-1069 is the part number. It does say Ryan's JK. It will not say Ryan's JK on your copy. I just didn't wanna lose mine, so I sharpened on it. So here, let's get to the unboxing. So basically they're all 6063 aluminum, high UV low powder coat. They're E-coated first, so there's no corrosion or any kind of issues. All our hardware is stainless steel. When you need the instructions for install, it's going to be the QR code on the box. And our backing plates are removable, so you can paint them any color you want. So let's get into this. Basically, this should just be the hardware box. This is going to be everything you need to actually assemble the inner fender to the Jeep. Our fenders are modular, so they're going to come with modular plates left and right. So we got all the plates. We got some weather stripping here. If you choose to use it or not, that's up to you. And then this will be the center plate. I'll open this one because it's the most exciting plate of them all. Oh my God, I'm just kidding.
He didn't believe you for a second.
I know, I was like, how convincing can it be? I put like a B effort into that one.
F.
An F. F for fake. I wish I would have really used all these acting lessons I didn't take. So, let's get to the fun part. Ta-da! So that's going to be the main panel. There'll be two panels off that. So this back panel is removable. All right. So thickest gauge in the industry. High UV low powder coat, E-coat. So everything's gonna stay like that forever. All the bolts are stainless, backing plates removable. So that's what you get. I'll do a sneak peek for you. So that's kind of the idea. It's gonna sit in there, but we're gonna do a full install video. So that's what you get. So yeah, that's the unboxing of 15-1069 Battle Ready Inner Fender for the rear of the JK 2007 to 2018.